Don't place a trade based on what you're seeing in this video because there is no guarantees of making a profit in the market. It takes you a long time to become a good trader. So this video here is just to educate you to become a much better trader. Hey traders, we're going to be looking at silver and gold in this video. So let's get straight into what I'm seeing here right now. I'm going to look at a bit more of a bigger picture here when it comes to silver and gold and what's going on right now. There's two school of thoughts that's happening here right now when it comes to gold. The first school of thought is this, bam, right? Channeling action for the last sort of probably couple of weeks. So we're seeing that through there right now, right? So the question is, where is it going to break, right? Do we actually break down past this level of 1680 and this double top now starts to become into play? Or do we rally up and break up through here? So it's really interesting to see that we're getting this one top through here, we're getting this double top through here, and it looks like we're starting to get a bit of a weakness. It's a bit of a sideways, like which way will it break, right? Because which way will it break will determine where this is likely to go. But if I squeeze my chart ups like this here, if I take it off the screen, but if I squeeze my chart up, it's very, very, very interesting to see that we've actually had a very strong move up, a little pullback, and another very strong move up, and now we're just not really doing much through here. So that tells me that there's and again it's 50-50, right? Like we just don't know, but there's a really good probability that we can either see there's a good probability, or I'd probably like to see a bit of a drop out of this. If the US indices are going to pull back, then maybe silver and gold's going to do the same thing as well too, right? So this bit of a pullback through here, guess what? That's what we see through there, right? So we can see that that's what's happening through there. So do we start to break up and out over through here? I personally would prefer to see gold go through a bit of an extended period of resting phase. For me personally, as you can see here, right, after we do nothing for a while, then we go for a big run. After we do nothing for a while, then we go for a big run. So I'd like to do nothing for a while to give me confidence that we're likely to go for a big run again. As you can see, it's a repetitive pattern, right? So that's what I'm seeing through there when it comes to gold, but then also silver as well too. Silver's doing the same sort of thing, right? We've had this very strong move down, a very strong move up, and now we're not just not doing much through here. We've got all this major level of support level through here as well too. So overall, I'm so much more bullish on silver, but you know, the interesting thing about the markets, and it's always important for me to keep myself on toes, is that we never want to get into a state of this can never happen, right? This can never happen. It can never happen. It's not going to happen. It's not going to happen, right? So, you know, anything can happen, right? So we had a rally up. We've still got a strong moving average trending down. We've got a sideways movement. So we could break down from here. I doubt it, but we could do that. I still do believe that we've seen the final lows for quite some time, but we'll let the market tell us what's going on through there. But we may get a little bit of a pullback through here. But also what I wanted to share with you is this. Look at this here. All right. Let me share. Look at this here. If I bring up my weekly charts here for a minute, right, I can see that through there. But look at this here. If I bring up my weekly charts, and I can see that from, say, from back here, right, and if I bring this down through to here, through to there. Right, let me bring this down from there to there. Look at this trend line through here, right? Isn't that incredible? Right, so we can see how with just a lot of resistance through here, wasn't it? A lot of resistance through here. Then look what happened. We came up, we bit of a flat top action, okay? And then what happened is that we actually seen a bit of a flush down, and now we've actually got a bit of a move back up. So even if we did get a bit of a pullback here on the short term on the weekly charts, come back down, say at a $14 level, I think we're likely to bounce through there and then see a very nice scoop back to the upside. But silver is actually very bullish overall, guys, and so is gold. But on a short term basis, hey, we could be getting ready for a nice pullback here overall. So the daily charts here, once again on silver, if I squeeze my charts up, you can see what's happening here. So if we did get a bit of a pullback through here, I do believe we're likely to hold, scoop up, and then probably see a move to the upside. So interesting times moving forward, guys. Once again, there could be a bit of weakness for the start of this week moving forward. Traders, I am running a free training, and on this free training, I'm going to walk you through my #1 trading system for the last 15 years. If you're wondering, what is my trading system? How do I actually trade the markets? What sort of setups do I look for? Then this is for you. See, on this, I'm going to walk you through all the details, but I'm going to walk you through the 3 secrets. The secret #1 is I'm going to walk you through the one thing that took me from $250,000 in debt and almost went bankrupt to actually shifting to actually making money from the markets. I'm going to talk about that one thing. Secret #2, I'm going to walk you through all the steps and all the details to my trading system. I'm not going to hold anything back. You're going to learn all the details to this. So you too, when you leave, you'll be able to see exactly how I trade the markets and what sort of setups I look for, so you can start to apply it today as well too. And secret #3, I'm going to show you exactly how and how I trade the markets for only 1 hour per day as well too. So I'm going to walk you through everything through. So if you're struggling with the trading right now, you need to see this. If you're looking for a really high probability trading system that gets like over 90% success rate, then this is for you as well too. And if you're looking for a way to be able to have freedom in your life, but also condense that down with a really good trading system, then secret #3, you're going to love that as well too. So I'm running that free training today. So go to johnsfreetraining.com right now, and I'll see you there.